Hello, you are welcome to FredExcel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Fill Across Worksheets option in Excel. So here's a scenario where you are meant to provide a data of students' performances for each semester in a space of say 2 years. So here we have the report template to use. But instead of having to copy and paste your templates across the sheets, a smart way you can really go about this is to use the Fill Across Worksheets option in Excel. Now to go around this, you hold down your Shift key, then select the last sheet you would want to use. Now once that is done, you automatically group all your worksheets as indicated up here at the top bar. Next is to select the templates, and at the Home tab, in the Editing group here, click the Fill icon, and from the drop down here, you click on the Across Worksheets option. And here you have an option to select Content Only or Format Only or both. But we are going for both options, so we'll select the All option here and click OK. Now here you have your data of content and formats replicated across all the sheets selected. Now go ahead and key in your records for each semester. This is really a great time saver and gives your worksheets a consistent look. Thank you for joining in and see you in our next video.